Okay, kind of got lost on this way to the next car wash. I forget the name of this one. This is the one with old Mark VII dryers. I think it's still going this way. Oh yeah, they're still there. Oh, I think I have to go around that. Nope. I came in the wrong way, literally. Oh, yeah, I see it. It is a razor. No, you can't go this way. Yeah, I'm literally going it back the backwards way. Bighorn car wash and detail, that's what it's called. Alright, a razor edge. Eight, 10, 12, 14.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select to wash by touching the corresponding button on the screen, or touch the enter code button to enter your code.
Okay, I can turn off Google Maps now. And yes, it has a lumen arch. You can't get those new anymore.
Please insert payment now. Please wait while your transaction. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Vacuum tokens. I already have some. Yep, second razor edge. This power tower sounded a little weird. Yeah, got the old Mark VII dryers. No voices on this machine either. There you go, fanatic. Yeah, off-board old Vortex Mark VII dryers are pretty rare. Oh, it's doing that funny thing again. Like that one razor double barrel did. Is it gonna do it on this side? Yeah, it stops on my door, then it goes back to the front. I don't know why some of them do that. Unless it's like a bug buster thing. Honestly, Razor's Luminarch with just being blue is kind of better than PDQ's and Bellinger's RGB arms. Bug assault. That's funny. Is that just me, or does that high pressure sound a little weak? We're getting dry foam and something. Oh, there, it's turning off. Whoa, yeah, how many how many different manifolds going at the same time? Spot free. Okay. Really gotta get a good dryer capture with this one. Alright, y'all get ready. Windows are armed. As soon as the racer clears my passenger window, man, those are loud. Okay. Yes, they do. Although the dryer time is a little bit lacking. That wasn't a whole lot of time. Already down to 20 seconds. Yeah, would have liked more dryer time. Yeah, they're still doing pretty good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Seem pretty good. Gotta love old Mark VII dryers. That's the third Washworld razor in a row I filmed without Premier dryers, so without further ado, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. That'll be it.